Suppose they are hired you just because of your qualification, and then if you will not working properly because you don't have any skill, then they will hire you.
No,
So they will fire you.
Oh, I know.
Yes, degree is most important. You are right, but still skill is also very important. Skill is like our backbone. Suppose if you are selected in a company but you don't possess any skill, then they will fire you.
No,
They can't have you in their organization.
And earn the job, but it cannot go in any achievement or any further move up in your career. There are many institutes who are having a best teacher, but they have no skills to teach the students.
Many companies require degrees. Without if you have even if you have right skill, without degrees you might miss out a lot of career opportunities without degrees.
No, there are many companies.
Person came Atik sir and he told Atik sir, please give me my certificate. Without certificate they can't give me jobs. Firstly the company require degrees and certificate. No, but I know everything.
Yeah, you are paying
I have already
a lot of
skill.
money to get your degree, but you don't need to pay
No.
anything just to get your skill.
But
Skill is unique talent.
I know I have skill, but that company
Then why do
doesn't
why
give
do-
me work in this company without certificate. So that's why I
And they don't have the skill to how to explain something to children, how to teach the student. They can't do anything with their degree.
as a cold, and you can share the medicine. And I will complain without a degree. He's opening the shop. You will arrest.
Well,
the
I
owner.
don't prescribe him.
Hello everyone, my name is Saman Ruba. I am very thankful to Mr. Atik sir for giving me this opportunity to speak on the topic of debate, that is skills versus degree. Let me explain you the definition of a skill, simple definition of a skill. And I am in the favor of skill. Skill is a learned ability that enables an individual to do any task or job effectively. I can say that skill is more important than degree. You can earn money just by having skills.
But first, degree is the most important.
No, degree is not that
After
important.
taking a degree, you can learn. You can get a skill. Ma'am, I have a question for you. If you have a skill, you told me you can earn money. But how it is possible? How we can earn money through a skill?
You can see there are many small businesses that are only based on skills, not on degree.
But if you want to get any job, you apply any companies, but companies ask about your degree. Without your degree, it's not possible to get a job and do anything.
In jobs, skills are also important for further promotions and achievement. And you can start your own business with having a good skill so you can earn money.
when you only have degrees but not certificate, when you only have skills not certificate or degree, so it's difficult to show employer that you are qualified. A degree proof you have achieved and something of which is more trusted.
Degree is certified something, a certification, yes? Degree is a certification and a proof for earning or for any job. There are many employers who have degree but no skills. There is a quotation said that you hire in the morning and then you fire in the evening without a skill. Important than in just having a degree.
But some careers like doctor, engineers or lawyers absolutely require a degree. Skill alone are not enough to work in this field because they need deep knowledge and legal certification.
Hello everyone, this is me, Sama Faz. I'm in the favor of skills. So as you said, doctors are there's required for doctors and engineer. There are many doctors who are open their clinic, but still they do no patient visit them. It's all about skill. If you have degree in doctorates or engineering, then also they must possess some skill. Skill is very, very important. Skill is like our backbone. We are nothing without a skill.
But without a certificate, you can't open shop on the road because you can open the shop. So police knows about it. So police will come and arrest you. Without certificate, you can open shop.
Okay, then you can acquire a skill from online courses or such an institute. You can acquire skill on such a low cost. skills are very cost effective.
How is the skill is the better of degree?
Yes, skill is better than degree.
How can you explain some example?
Yes, I can explain. Do you listen that MBA Chaiwala? He had a degree in a master, but still there is no use of his degree. That's why he started selling tea, and because of his skill, he is very famous.
MBA chai wala.
Yeah, MBA Chaiwala. Don't you listen
But
this?
this is not two types of degree. Okay, there are many types of degree.
Yes.
For example, doctor and biologic, pediatrics. There are many of types of degree. So we are not talking about two types of degree. Only MBA and learn anything.
Yes.
So I know also degree is important and also skill is important.
Yes.
But degree is the most important of the skill, because when you are going anywhere, okay, firstly every person is look your degree. What is your qualification? What do you do and what you will do?
Yes.
So it's my own opinion and also thought कि degree is the most important because also I have worked on one company and nowadays I'm trying to give interview other companies. So he is asked about my degree and my graduation is pursuing. So that's I can't qualify the interview because he said I have to complete graduation. So that's why it's my opinion is degree is the most important not school because I have already experienced more than 2 years. So it's skill is not important. Degree is the most important.
Okay. As you said, you can crack easily any interview, but without a skill, you can't crack any interview. They don't see your resume that you have done MBA or pharma or anything. There are requires of a skill. If you don't possess any skill, you can't crack it.
I know skill is important, but also is the degree is important. If you will go is the expensive company, he's asked about your qualification first, not about your experience. So you have to prove your qualification. If you are saying my graduation is pursuing and I'm doing other things, so he'll already reject. So when we start to and explain about myself in everything, yeah, I have completed everything. For example, graduation I have completed everything. You told when HR and other manager is thinking, so he will approve. When you will start my pursuing graduation, so he is already your mindset. I will not qualify them.
Okay, suppose they are hired you just because of your qualification, and then if you will not working properly because you don't have any skill, then they will hire you.
No,
so they will fire you.
Oh, I know, but someone is doing well, also doing hard work and if over time, okay. But he has also skill and skill, but he doesn't have the degree, okay. But some companies not to hired. Why? Degree is the most important. That's why he's not hired.
Yes, degree is most important. Important, you are right, but still, skill is also very important. Skill is like our backbone. Suppose if you are selected in a company but you don't possess any skill, then they will fire you.
No,
They can't have you in their organization.
okay.
There are a lot of skills such as writing skill, creativity skill, engineering skill. There must be required to getting a job, to getting a high-paying job.
But first, degree is the most important.
No, degree is not that
After
important.
taking a degree, you can learn. You can get a skill.
How could you get a skill without degree?
Okay. For example, we are starting learning in 5 years old. Okay.
Yes.
We will work your on myself and I prove day by day. Okay. And we are going in graduation. After going in graduation classes, we are learn many things. So this is also taught your skill and during skill and we can get the degree also. For example, go anywhere and he told us something and he told about the doing tea sale. So we get to skill also.
Yes.
So that's during a degree we can get also skill.
So that's about skill. You are also supporting skill. You don't support your degree.
No, I'm supporting a degree, but I have already explained during taking a degree, we can get a skill also.
So ultimately, you can earn a skill.
Skill very easily. We can learn on the way also. For example, you are going anywhere and looking he's you painting a wall. You can learn he's doing a wall painter and I also can. This is a skill you can learn now.
How could you say this? That is painting skill you can learn from a wall or from going to anywhere.
I also learn because one day I saw my YouTube and he's drawing something. He's drawing the ring on paper. Okay, I have also learned.
So just by seeing that, you can learn that skill.
It's good. You can learn now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I tried 2 times, but after I can do better.
Okay, that's great.
Whenever I see skill man can be labor. Like you want to be IS without degree can be IS.
No, we can't be IS without degree.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
Without degree can be IS.
No, we can't get IS degree without.
It's not possible.
Yeah, you're right. Mic drop.
Many companies require degrees without, if you have, even if you have right skill, without degrees, you might miss out a lot of career opportunities without degrees.
No, there are many companies who hire a skilled person, not a degree holder.
But many companies require a degree person. Without degrees, they can't give jobs. I know I have experience like one day, before few day, one person came Atik sir and he told Atik sir, please give me my certificate. Without certificate, they can't give me jobs. Firstly, the company require degrees and certificate.
So this is a skill. He is saying Atik sir to give his certificate. It means it is a skill. I'm giving you an example. Few days back, a friend of mine brought opportunity for a job, and he said that you have to speak English there. So guess what? English speaking is a skill. That's why he was saying me that you have to speak English there. I consider English as a skill. A skill is unique talent. Everyone can attract from you if you have possessed some skill, such as unique skill. You can earn degree by fame and money, but you can't get a skill from money and
But
fame.
some skills become useless after few years. So skill learning easily, but you can't get a certificate easily.
No, you can get certificate easily. There are
How?
multiple platforms that they are providing skills, certificate, and also skills.
For example, he said you told us we can get certificate anywhere. So how is the possible? If you are teaching here, okay, and learning is speaking English, so how we can get certificate on other questions?
There are multiple online platforms they are providing certificate.
No.
Just by attending some workshop of there, they are providing. I also learned get a certificate yesterday of B10X just by attending their workshops for continuously for hour.
Don't just teach you one subject. They also develop your important skill like communication, teamwork, and critical thinking.
Yes, you are right. But there are many degree provider. They can provide you degree just having some extra money. You can give them money and they will provide you degree. So what about that? There are many people who bought a degree. They don't possess any skill, but still they have a degree. If you ask them, then they will say, yeah, I have done this, I have done this. But what about their skill? Have they possessed any skill? They don't.
Many school and coaching firstly require a lot of money. After that, they can give certificate.
No,
And
there are
certificate getting is very difficult this time.
no, it's very easy.
No,
to get
how?
no, it's very easy to
I
get
know.
a certificate.
I give 10,000 rupees one school for 12th mark sheet.
So that is a degree.
Yeah, but 12th 10,000
that is a
rupees. I
degree,
give
not a
10,000
skill.
rupees.
That's what you're saying. That's a degree or not a skill.
No, but I know everything.
Yeah, you are paying
I have already
a lot of
skill.
money to get your degree, but you don't need to pay
No.
anything just to get your skill.
But
skill
I have-
skill is unique talent.
I know I have skill, but that company
Then why do
doesn't
why
give
do-
me work in this company without certificate. So that's why I can get certificate. That's why I wanna get certificate.
So just by giving money, you are earning your degree.
Yes.
Am I right?
I have already skill,
It
but
means you
I
don't
have
have
no
any skill?
certificate. So that's why
It means you don't have any skill.
I
You just
have a skill.
you are just earning your degree by expressing
No,
money.
no, I have already skill and I approved any companies, but they can't give jobs without certificate. Firstly, company requires certificate. Like without that certificate, they can't give.
Okay, degree is
What?
just a piece of paper.
No, no.
No,
So
degree.
why-
Degree is just a piece of paper.
So why every student are running after degrees and
But
studying a lot
still,
of?
degree is just a piece of paper.
No, no. Without
No,
you
degree
can't
is
get
just a
job.
piece of paper. Degree-
No, no.
No,
Without
degree is just a piece of paper.
without degrees,
can
you
acquire
can't get
skill
job.
from
Good
anywhere.
companies, many companies only require degrees or not look your skill. If even if you have great skill, but without degrees, they can't give.
There are many companies who hire skill eligible person. They don't hire a degree holder. If you have any skill, then they will hire you.
So why every student are running after degrees?
If they wish,
What?
it's up to them. But now in this era, nobody is going back to degree. All the people are just trying to have some skills so that they can earn their livelihood.
But in India, seeing your degree is not your skill.
No, there are many people who see your skill, not your degree.
But most company and most person senior degree is not a skill.
If you will hire, then they will also fire you if you don't have any skill.
No, no,
Just
after,
because,
sometimes you
of your
learn a
degree,
skill, but-
they don't remain you in that organization. They will definitely fire you if you don't
No,
possess
but
any skill.
company hire, but you slowly learning skill. But you
They are-
have
they are
no
not
certificate,
teaching
so you
you.
can't get certificate.
They are not teaching you to get slowly, and they will give
Yes,
you.
yes, but
no,
you learn on my own.
no, you can't do this.
I can.
It is very easy to say, but in practical life, you can't do this. They won't allow to do this. You're not in a school that they will teach you slowly. You have to very pro. Then they will hire you. Otherwise, otherwise you will get fired.
There are many employers and they learn. They teach us. There are many employers. They teach us because one my friends they went to companies, big companies in Mumbai, but they have no skill. But their employers taught him.
Well, it is very rare. If you're talking about them, then maybe there happened that, but it is very rare. There is no one who teaches you everything, especially if employer and employee. If you talk about this, this is an era of competition.
Which type degree is important? If I need to get a job, which type degree I need? Which type skill?
Yeah, skill.
Okay.
So there are many skills such as creativity skill, writing skill, editing skill, and some tech skill.
And how much we can
Coding
earn?
skill.
And how much we can earn?
You can acquire it from anywhere, from any institute, from any online platform. It's very cost effective.
Okay, but it's my thought.
Yes.
If you have a degree and have you, for example, you have a degree doctor, okay?
Yes.
You can earn much better than skill. So degree is the most important. If you want to be a doctor, you have to learn many things and doing practical and operation, some other animals. So it's my opinion. Degree is the most important, not skill. After taking first, I have completed also. After taking a degree, we can learn a skill also. So firstly, degree is the most important.
If you know about English language, but if you have no degrees, if you have no degrees and only skills, so you can't open institute like this, because after listening this police and big big politician and big so they will come and they seal your institute. Without degrees, you can't open institute. Also, Atik sir has degrees. Without degrees, they can't open institute. I know Atik sir also has a skill, but as well as degrees.
Said that degree is more important for opening an institute.
Yes.
That degree is more important for opening any institute or something. Just a degree can earn the job, but it cannot go in any achievement or any further move up in your career. There are many institutes who are having a best teacher, but they have no skills to teach the students. If degree is more important, then a B.Ed pursued person who earn the B.Ed degree and they don't have the skill to how to explain something to children, how to teach the student, they can't do anything with their degree.
But most school and institute require degrees. Without degree, they can't give you jobs, and they can't. Without degrees, they can't give you jobs, and many schools require degrees. Even if you have right skills, so without degrees, they can't give a job. Like a government job, also government look your degrees, not a certificate. If you have right skill, even if you have right skill but not certificate, so most people don't give you jobs their school, because firstly government and many school require degrees. Without, even if you have right skill but no degrees, so they can't give you job this time.
No, they will give you a job if you have some good skill, such as teaching skill or creativity skill. Then you can earn more livelihood, and they will hire you. They won't fire you if you have good skill.
No, doesn't matter this time.
It
Government
matters.
school
It matters a lot.
many government school require a teacher like who has degrees. Without degrees, they can't give a job. Even they don't know about their subject, but but they have degrees, so they can't get job this time in India.
But still they possess some skill. That's why they get that job. Suppose if any school hire them, then by seeing their progress they will definitely fire them. Because in a school there must be some skill, such as teaching skill, creativity skill, writing skill. Then they will teach their students.
Yes, but there are many school and their sir don't know about their subject, but people don't hire. People doesn't hire. Why?
No, principal hires.
No.
No, if you have
I know, I also know.
if you have good skill, then
I have seen like
they will
this.
definitely hire you.
No, I have seen this.
No, they will definitely hire you. Maybe
No.
maybe you have seen this, but in this era,
I have studied like this school, but their teacher doesn't know about their subject, but principal doesn't hire.
because of some settlement
They
of
only-
them, they hire you.
They only look your degrees.
No,
Only
they won't
government
say,
school and
only about their
government,
degree.
government and many big politician only look your degrees, not skill this time.
There are a lot of politicians who don't have any degree, but still they have skill of speaking.
Politician is another thing.
Still, if you talk about skill, then I will definitely listen to this.
I know.
We are talking
Companies
about
and
skill,
school and
not politician or teachers or principal.
If you want to, you are talking about a politician. If you need to a politician, we need to we did not we did not sorry, skill. Only we have to, if you have a 35 years old, you can be a politician, because we need to skill. Okay. We don't need a skill in a politician. Only we have to need only we need 35 years old age. Okay, we can be a politician. So if you want to also if you want to be a politician, also we have to need a degree. For example, you have to completed graduation.
No, you don't need any degree to be a politician. There's a lot of politicians who doesn't
So
have any
only
degree.
only we are not providing skill. We have also need a age. Without less than 35 years old, we can't be a we can't stand in election.
age of 35 years and then
only
they will have
skill
to
is
carry
not
on in
important.
politics.
But so degree is the most important.
degree
If
is not
you
that
want to be I have explained also. If you want to be a doctor and engineer, you have to learn more, and you have to prove your certificate.
So there are many doctors who have just earned their degree. They don't have any skill.
No,
They they open their
Okay,
clinic,
doctor,
but still no
how-
patients visits them because they just earn their degree. They don't have any skills
He's
and
not on
and
money
knowledge about
without.
yes.
He's not on the money.
No, he's not on money.
How?
If they don't have any
He has-
skills
yeah, he's-
and knowledge about the medicines and the disease, how can they earn money? Patients won't visit them. There are a lot of doctors who just earn their degree.
No, ma'am,
So this
you are
MBBS,
thinking only
MD,
about
BUMS.
2-3 doctors. We are not about.
There are a lot of doctors.
We are
Just
talking
go,
about
just
the
go and
degree.
search. There are a lot of doctors who just earn their degree. Say MBBS, MD, BUMS, BAMS, BHMS. They are not a skilled person. They are just for this degree, and they don't know anything about the medicines and the disease. They just prescribe wrong medicine to the patients, and the patients suffer a lot due to their illiteracy. They just possess their degree. They don't knowledge about this. So it's going to be noted.
No,
You can
also-
easily get degree by just giving
also
money.
we know about that, but degree is the most important. If you want to do, for example,
Okay, if you have only a skill and you will knowledge about doctoring, about doctor, about medicine,
No, for getting knowledge.
about operation.
No,
If you have only skill, so will you knowledge about operation, about medicine?
no, we have to practice them.
No.
Yeah, we
You
have
have
to
no
practice
knowledge,
them.
so will you know you will know knowledge. So you can't give right medicine.
Yes, I can give you right medicine.
How?
I have a lot of knowledge about medicine.
No,
No, no, I can give
it's
you.
not possible.
Yeah, it is possible. I have some knowledge about medicine, so if I have an issue, then I don't visit a doctor. I take my medicine just by prescribing myself. I'm not by the science background, but still I have some knowledge about medicines.
okay, you have a skill and you want to share a medicine without a
What?
degree. You have a knowledge
Yes.
to share a medicine. For example, he has a cold, and you can share the medicine. And I will complain without a degree. He is opening the shop. You will arrest.
Well,
yes
I
or no?
don't prescribe him. I just prescribe on myself. I don't prescribe anyone.
No, you told us we can give us medicine
Yes.
without degree.
Yes.
So
Well,
if
I won't give him any medicine, bro. I can't give him. I told you I just prescribe medicine for myself, not any others. If I get some issue, then I will go to the baker store and take some medicine. I don't go to the doctor.
But I think that degree is more important than skills. Because in India and our world, every person look your degrees, not our skills.
No, there are a lot of people who just see your skills, not degree.
Many,
There are a
most
lot of
people
people
look
who
your
went
degrees,
Saudi
not
or
a skill. I think most people look your degrees, not a skill. In this world,
yeah, you are
this
right.
time,
Yes, you
this
are.
time only see look your degrees, not a skill.
Yes, you are right, but still skill is more important.
I
They will
know.
definitely see your degree, but there are a lot of people who just earn their degree by giving extra money. They don't have any knowledge about that degree. If you ask about their subject, they won't able to answer that. But still they have degree. So what about that? There are a lot of people who just earn the degree of D Pharma, B Pharma, and just open their medical store. And except they prescribe wrong medicine to the patients. Just check the history about this, about the medical stores. They mostly provide wrong medicine. And people who don't know, they will take that medicine. So what about that?
Some person who has a skill, but he doesn't have certificate degree. He want to go other countries but each countries ask for a degree. So what about that?
So there are a lot of countries who say
For example, Saudi Arabia.
who calls you for your skills, not because of your degree. They will definitely hire you if you possess any skills.
Everyone wants I have good certificates because I have to go abroad and I earn a good money. Because there without a good certificate they can't give a good job. If you have no certificate, so they give job like Bakri Charana.